Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scenes. It's Sunday. Lovelies, welcome. This video is a little couch talk about this and that and the other. But I want to start with what has passed in the last week. Well, we dropped the classics. We dug into the archives from Lousje and Bean, and we released the Marlane pants and the classic pipe tunic. And I'm wearing both pieces, and I think it is an amazing outfit. I can't say enough about it. The fabric, it's a gray denim, and we also have it in a dark blue denim. But what I like to say about it, the fabric, it's a very fine denim. So it's great outfit for all summer, basically, but to transition into the winter time. And also, we dropped mock necklaces from Muskoka, waxed threads that the necklaces are made of, fastened with a unique button. Almost every one of them is different with a very unique button. Have carried them also for years. And we kicked off the Neighbors Helping Neighbors campaign with the YWCA. So, okay, lovelies, first of all, this outfit, it's of course long enough to wear it without any bottoms, leggings or pants. But I think with these pants, especially the wide-legged Marlane pants, it's a very special statement. I love this layering look. And I would layer it with a little jacket if it gets colder, and then it's like really layering and really interesting. And a little bit about the pants, it's a flat front. It has no waistband. It has a little zipper on the side. It's very fitted and nothing there, nothing bulging, it's flat all around. No pockets, because you can't have pockets in this type of pants. Very wide-legged, but a really nice length. So when we get the cooler days coming, with a little pair of booties, it looks extra funky. And then, of course, the tunic. I love the neckline. I've always loved the little cropped sleeves. And then the interesting hemline, right? That goes like a little shorter in the front and then longer on the side. Great pockets stitched on top of the tunic. And yeah, it's an all-around fantastic outfit. And I paired it off with Siska, new in the boutique. Beautiful. I don't know where these people get their creativity from, but every time there's a new drop from Siska, I always think, wow, how did they come up with a whole new design? This beautiful bracelet and this beautiful necklace and the earrings all matchy-match, and a little bit of fuchsia in there. So I found my fuchsia lipstick, which I wear almost every day. It's a really nice combo. So, lovelies. First of all, from the garden, beautiful. The hydrangeas are starting to, this is a different hydrangea, a pinnacle hydrangea that is growing by the back fence. These started out white and they're starting to fade in a lovely soft pink. It's exquisite. And I will dry these and I will have them all winter. I will talk about drying flowers from your garden in another segment of Lousje and Bean Couch Talk. Anyway, I want to talk about the garden. Oh my, how have things grown? I can't believe it. When I watched the garden video that was released not that long ago, it's like a whole different garden again, because it's almost bare to what it is now. With all the rain, and my, did we ever have rain. Some people really a lot of damage, including one of my sons in the basement, but also his in-ground pool, really damaged. So I feel for all these people, and thank goodness Glenn and I were fine. Tessa was fine, so what that's concerned, we were lucky. But the hydrangea tree, the little tree that was in bud when we showed the garden video, is now full of blooms. Here's a picture. And I don't think I ever showed you a picture of our window boxes, which are gorgeous. As you can see, here's a picture of the window boxes that we have out front. Last year, I went quite colorful. This year, I kind of toned it down, and I find it really nice. It's very rustic with the red brick. It kind of complements the yellow door. Well, I cannot hold my excitement much longer. I'm going out tonight with my granddaughter to a concert in Toronto. She got me a ticket for her and herself for Olivia Dean, singer-songwriter from London, England. And she played me a few of her songs in the car a few months ago when we were driving together, and I really liked her. And she remembered that. I'm so excited. So we're going to Scotia Bank in Toronto, the concert hall there. I can't wait. So if you're curious, Google Lousje Bean, or if you have Spotify, she will pop up and you can listen to one of her songs. It's really mellow, it's nice, it's very happy peppy. I will show some pictures on my next couch talk and I'll let you know how it was. I am thrilled. It's very nice to have grown-up grandchildren that take you out. I'm really excited about this time of being a grandma, in my case an Oma. I enjoy every minute of it. Lovelies, I'm going to end this little Sunday talk that we've had. Let me know about how your summer has been going, how your garden is growing. I got a really nice tip from Mary Lou, thank you, asking me why I didn't have a rain chain. And I've always wondered about a rain chain, and I'm going to look into it, Mary Lou. You really brought it back to my attention again, because I've been to an urban design neighborhood where a lot of these homes had rain chains. It's a very unique thing. So, okay, with that, I'm going to say goodbye. Watch tomorrow. New fall items dropping from Crisas. Of course, Crisas, the line that we've all been waiting for, and it has arrived with a bang, boxes and boxes. And we can't say enough. It's one piece is more beautiful than the other. Enjoy your Sunday, and of course, keep on smiling.